Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to soft reset your headphones JLAB GOWORK. So to perform a soft reset, firstly you need to locate power button, and power button located at the bottom of your right ear cup, near to the USB-C port and the LED light. We have this button. So firstly we need to turn off these headphones, press and hold power button until you will see the red LED light. We just turn off them. These headphones now disconnected from your phone. If you want to check it, you can open the Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have iOS near to your headphones, you will see the information not connected, meaning that the headphones disconnected. If you have Android, it depends, because let's say on stock Android it will move from media devices to save devices, meaning the same, that it's disconnected. But on another devices, like on Realme, let's say you have the information under your headphones that in use when it connected, and no information, just empty space when it disconnected. So maybe you have a similar path to check it. Okay, after we disable them, disconnect them, we need to open it. Not open it, sorry. We need to turn on them. So press and hold power button again. And we just turn on them. These headphones should reconnect to your phone automatically. And as you can see, we have connection, but sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. If you have this problem, I recommend it to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and tap at your headphones here. And after that it should reconnect. And with this method you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big troubles with your headset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!